This video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at the SR-S and SR-C range of Casio cash registers, and in particular we're looking at SD card usage and automating the sales reports to poll to the SD card. So if you're familiar with the machine, you'll know there's an SD card slot on the left hand side and that you can restore the programming data to and from the card. You can also set the machine so that every time you run an X or Z report, it sends the data to the card. The downside of this is that if you don't have a card loaded, it won't run the report. But if you're happy to set this up because you've always got a ready and formatted card loaded, then it's really simple to do. It's also simple to deactivate if you decide that you don't want it in the long run. So to set up the reports to automatically poll to the card, you turn the key round to PGM, arrow down through the settings until you find General Setting. When that's highlighted, you press CA Amount Tend, and then you arrow down to EJ Sales SD after XZ, press CA Amount Tend and toggle up to Yes. CA Amount Tend to select Yes, Subtotal to return to the main settings menu, and then you can turn the key back to Reg. The next time you run your X or Z report, you will have to have the card loaded because the till will be expecting to send the data to the card. For more information on SD card usage with the SR-S and SR-C range of registers, click on some of the video links that are appearing on screen now. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more information. Thanks for watching.